to the PulseChain wallet. Whenever it comes out, we know, Rich talked about it a little bit. Not sure what obviously is going to happen after launch at some point. But we don't know when the launch is going to happen, so it's hard to say all these things. I'm just thinking, does MetaMask, is there a fiat on ramp through MetaMask? I think there is.
Yeah, they have, at least as far as I recall. I don't buy through MetaMask, but I know that there's like MoonPay is a pretty popular one, and then I think the other one's called like Wire, WYRE, and those are fiat on ramps in a sense. With a Richard Heart wallet, the wallet itself would not be providing that service. It would be containing the service that's able to provide it, but it would be someone like a MoonPay or some intermediary who has a money transmitter license, and they're able to facilitate fiat cash into a market buy of crypto for some service fee. I think what we would probably expect with and that's not like, it's not asking too much. If Richard puts out a wallet, those people will line up at the door to try to get involved and say, hey, can we get our DApp involved? Because that's service fees for them. And if they can get the, initial first mover advantage and stuff like that, it could be very profitable for them. MoonPay is ripping you off, but it's convenience. And I've been on the record saying that convenience and complacency are sort of the two like crutches or weaknesses that we have currently in crypto. And I get it. We all want easy money or easy service, but that's where you pay a 7.5% network fee or, service fee. And you just don't realize how much money you're handing to these middlemen. And that's the point of crypto, is to take the middlemen out of the equation